What? I know.
Then our backyard's gonna be all muddy.
And full of fish.
Pretty much.
And all full of crazy playground. I believe Panthers want to get a drink too. Ribbit, I love the week.
Wow. Here comes another car. Colton, get out of the way. I'm trying to take pictures. Well, not pictures, this video. Oh, now my screen's getting all wet. Gosh, dang it. Oh, look at that big truck. Here comes another one. This is a car. It's having a hard time getting up there. It looks like this is a Porsche or something. Wait, no, this is the same thing as... I don't know. That one's barely making it up. That one's plowing right through. Ooh, a monster truck.